Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree review, a product that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I believe I hauled it in my last Dollar Tree haul, but it is the Egglettes. So it says here, hard-boiled eggs without the shell. You can see that? Just crack, boil, pop. You get 4 of them. And yeah, so we're going to see exactly how that's going to work. So we're going to go into my kitchen and we will take it from there. Okay, so I did buy 2 of these, so I do have one that I already washed. These are all washed and ready to go. Let's open that. And everywhere on here it says to use with oil or cooking spray. Even when you wash them. That comes in every single, you can see that, in every single one of these. So, I'm going to clean this up here real quick. Get a pot and some eggs, and I'll be right back. Before we get started, I thought maybe I'd read the quick start guide, which is to wash the egglets in warm soapy water, dry thoroughly, evenly coat the entire inside with cooking spray or oil. Remove excess. Add an egg or an egg recipe of your choice and twist the lid on. Fill pot with 3 to 4 inches of water and heat to a roiling boil. Add egglets. Refer to page 6 for cooking times. Remove carefully after cooking. Hard boiled, place in cool water and let cool on counter. For omelet and soft boil, let sit in a few minutes before serving. To remove egg, run tip of spoon around the edge of cup between the egg and the egglets to release. Note, to use caution when handling. Product and content will be hot. Let me get some water. Alright, so I got my pot of 3.5 inches over here on high. I'm going to take the eggs. Oh, forgot the cooking spray. Okay. I'm just going to do it over the pot here. Spray it real good. Crack the eggs in there. Gonna wash my hands and then we'll get the tops on those. Okay, so these have a fill line. You can quite see that. It's about right there or so. And we're going to put the lid back on these. And they do have a little bit of hole in there, so I don't think they're going to explode. We're just going to do 2 regular. And then we're going to add just a little bit of cheese in one. Be right back. I'm going to add just a little bit of cheese to that one. And then it says, when cooked, oh, no, hold on. When cooked, turn off the heat and remove egglet with tongs. Okay. Cooking time. Well, you can see here, the hard boil is 13 to 16, medium boil is 11 to 13, omelet yolk and white is 13 to 15, omelet just white is 12 to 14, and omelet egg substitute is 13 to 15. It is almost to a boil. So I did notice that when I put this in, you can see it just kind of floats. Sorry. So I'm going to take some of that water out. So I don't think we need quite that much water. So that there is about, oops, wrong way. That's about 2.5 inches in this size pot. Get a little closer here. Just like watching water boil. Right, we have it at a roiling boil. I do want to point out though that it says to make sure that the bottom does not touch the bottom of the pan. So we're just going to set them in there. And I'm going to set my timer for 16 because I want to hard boil on these. Okay, Google. Set my timer for 16 minutes.
Okay, 16 minutes. And that's starting now.
All right, we will check back in 16 minutes. So it has been 16 minutes and I have my hot water or my cold water right there. So we're just going to leave it sit there for a couple minutes and we'll come back to it. Okay, so these have been sitting in the cold water for about 5 minutes now. Water is still pretty cold. Just going to wipe this down. Open it up. Huh. It's hard. So now we're going to take the spoon like it says and just kind of loosen it up. Plop her out. And there you go. There you have it. It might need another minute or maybe not. I don't know. That's what it looks like inside. A little bit of yellow. Probably use maybe another minute or two in there if you don't want any yolk like that. Otherwise, you know, I was going to use this for deviled eggs. Kind of a weird shaped deviled egg. Yeah, so I think if you give it just another minute, it will be a completely, okay, here's the one with the cheese. That one's pretty done. Yeah, so maybe another 30 to 60 minutes or so, and you will have your cooked eggs. Now, is that going to be any faster than any other way? Probably not. I mean, you can boil an egg in what, less than 10 minutes? And have it be completely done, but yeah. So anyways, there is my review on the Egglettes that I got from the Dollar Tree. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed and you want to see more. And I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.